Guys, recession is here, and if you are looking to invest into the recession market as an F1 international student in the US, this video is for you because इस वीडियो में बात करने वाला हूँ मैं Webull के बारे में, एक अनदर ट्रेडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म क्या है वो, कैसे आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो, कैसे आप 2 फ्री स्टॉक ले सकते हो, इस वीडियो में बात करते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सबसे पहले बात करते हैं व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज Webull. सो Webull एक ट्रेडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है, वहाँ पर जाके स्टॉक खरीद सकते हो, स्टॉक बेच सकते हो, ETFs खरीद सकते हो, ETFs बेच सकते हो एंड एवरीथिंग अबाउट दैट. सो Webull बिगनर्स के लिए नहीं है, बिगनर्स के लिए Robinhood है. अगली वीडियो जो मैं बनाने वाला हूँ उसमें बात करने वाला हूँ मैं Robinhood pros and cons and Webull pros and cons. So this video is basically for Webull, and recession is here. I'm in the US right now and it is a very bad time right now, and personally I have started investing a couple of months back, and I am investing into the recession market, and why is there a recession and should you invest or not is also another video coming up. But in this video, what if I tell you that you don't have to spend any money, you just have to sign up to Webull if you want to get started into the stock trading thing, if you want to invest into stocks. If you don't, please skip this video and do not watch it till the end. If you are interested in investing in stocks and getting 2 free stocks by investing $0, this video is basically for you. So what exactly is going on, I'll tell you right now. So basically Webull is running a promotion right now. For example, if I am a beginner and I want to start investing into the stock market, I download the Webull app, and there is a link in the description below. If you sign up from that, you get 2 free stocks. Now these 2 free stocks can be Microsoft, Apple, Google, and what's the highest stock right now? It's I think Tesla, which is around $800. You can get that also. Free stocks, you don't have to spend anything, you just have to open that account. So this is what Webull promotional platform is running right now, and I signed up from that and I got 2 free stocks. I can't tell you that which I got that. I will be making a separate video of my portfolio into the future. I just have started a couple of months back, so not much to talk about into my portfolio. But I got 2 free stocks, and without spending anything, I just have to invest them. I can sell them, I can buy more stocks of the same amount. And this is the promotion Webull is being offering right now, and it is a stock trading platform. It is for advanced people who want to invest into the stock market, because उसमें जो काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें आपको समझ में नहीं आएंगी, बिकॉज एडवांस लोगों के लिए ईजी. अगर आपको बिल्कुल ही बिगनर हो तो Robinhood का है, और यहाँ पे मैं ऊपर थंबनेल पे डाल दूंगा. मैंने जो मेरी प्रीवियस वीडियो थी उसमें मैंने बात करी थी Robinhood के बारे में. एंड ऑल्सो Robinhood इज ऑल्सो ऑफरिंग फ्री स्टॉक्स है, एंड दैट इज़ फॉर बिगनर्स. दिस इज़ फॉर अ बिट एडवांस लेवल. So this was the purpose of making this video, and अभी फाइनेंस की वीडियोस काफ़ी सारी आने वाली हैं. आई एम फोकसिंग सोनली ऑन फाइनेंस राइट नाउ, एंड स्टे ट्यून्ड. इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो, डू गिव इट अ लाइक, एंड इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.